Welcome viewers all over the world. Today we have the question, if 1 all over 256 all to the power of x is equal to x, then what is the value of x? Solution. The given question is 1 divided by 256, everything raised to the power x is equal to x. Okay? 1 raised to the power x is 1. So I'll have it written as 256 at the denominator to the power of x is equal to x all over 1. So that I can now take a cross multiplication. And when this happens, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. And then I'll use 256 to the power of x to multiply x. At this point, I can divide both sides by x. And that means 256 to the power of x multiplied by x all over x is equal to 1 all over x. So that x can cancel out x, leaving me with 256 to the power of x equal to 1 all over x. At this point, I can represent 256 as 2 to the power of 8. 2 to the power of 8, then to the power of x is equal to 1 all over x. Now, to cancel out this x, I will power both sides of the equation by 1 all over x. That means I'll have 2 to the power of 8 to the power of x, then multiplied by 1 all over x is equal to 1 all over x to the power of 1 all over x. This means that x can cancel out x, leaving me by the left hand side with just 2 to the power of 8. And by the right hand side, I have 1 all over x to the power of 1 all over x. But then, 2 to the power of 8. 8 can be expressed as 2 multiply 4. That means 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 1 all over x, then to the power of 1 all over x. From here, the exponential function can play. And what it means is that 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 4 is still the same thing as 2 to the power of 2, which is 4 to the power of 4. So it can be expressed as 4 to the power of 4 equal to 1 all over x, then to the power of 1 all over x. What does that mean? 2 to the power of 2 is 4, then to the power of 4. The same thing as 2 multiplied by 4, which is 8, then 2 to the power of 8. Now, moving forward, if I have a to the power of a equal to b to the power of b, it implies that a is equal to a. Okay? Therefore, the same thing can be applied here. The base is the same thing as the power. And by the right hand side, the base is the same thing as the power. So I can now write 4 is equal to 1 all over x. And at this point, I can take a cross multiplication. X multiplied by 4 is 4x, and 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, meaning that x is equal to 1 all over 4. And this is the answer that we are looking for. Just a quick one to check result. I am given 1 all over 256 all to the power of x equal to x. Now, if x is 1 over 4, that means 1 all over 256 to the power of 1 all over 4 is equal to 1 all over 4. We want to find that. With the two sides of the equation will be equal. Now, 256 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 8 or to the power of 1 all over 4, with this be equal to 1 all over 4. By indicial law, 2 to the power of 8 at the denominator can be brought to the And the denominator can be brought to the numerator to be 2 to the power of minus 8. Then multiply by 1 all over 4. Is this equal to 1 all over 4? Then 4 can cancel out 8 to give me minus 2. 4 cancel out minus 8 to give me minus 2. That means I have 2 to the power of minus 2. Is it equal to 1 all over 4? But yes, because 2 to the power of minus 2 is certain as 1 all over 4, which is equal to 1 all over 4. Authenticating that the value of x is actually equal to 1 over 4. So we can now say here, x is equal to 1 over 4. Thank you for watching. May God bless you.